What do you have? You have Bob the Builder? Say Bob the Builder. Open it up. You want mommy to open it for you? Here, I'll open it up for you. Ready? Gotta turn it on. There you go. Yes, you can. Bye. Open it back up. You're not gonna be able to, are you? You gotta push it in and then pull it up. Yeah, you do it.
Yeah.
You do it. Okay. Are you hungry, Cameron? Are you ready for dinner? Huh? Say hi to Grandma and Grampy. Cameron, where's Grampy? And where's Grandma? They're over there. Go over there. Show me where Grampy and Grandma are. Oh, that's Grammy and Grandpa, huh? Grampy and Grandma, I mean. Give them kisses. Give Grampy kisses. Oh, you gotta give go give them kisses over there. Are you giving them kisses? Okay. Okay, go. All right, all done?